Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. It's another episode here on Custom Car Bros, and in this episode, we're going to be working on the Super Stang. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications because you have no idea what this is. This is a 1995 Mustang that I'm turning into a supercar by doing a wide body kit, a custom rear end, a custom front end, custom exhaust, custom interior. Everything's basically custom. I'm just basically using the chassis, the roof, and some of the other parts of a regular Mustang. But in this episode, we added the fender caps, and those are looking pretty sweet. Like, I'm really impressed with them. But we're going to be trying to make them look even better because we've got to match them up with the doors, which go at way more of an aggressive angle, which should be easy. Just pull this up, and we'll get lined back up, and it'll look way better. So we're going to go ahead and do that, but just before we jump right in, we're going to talk about today's sponsor. Today's sponsor is Nobody. Nobody is a free YouTube sponsor that doesn't pay you anything, but they will like it if you tell them in your video, I guess. Mention them in your video. That's today's sponsor. Let me know what you think of it down in the comment section below. But without further ado, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so that's basically a wrap for today's video. We got that fully welded. It's looking really good. I do not know if you guys can tell. I don't know what you guys, well, yeah, I can tell actually now. There we go, our camera focused. Basically though, it looks really good. I grinded it. We grinded the hat, welded that. Actually, that was already welded. But anyways, that is a wrap for today's video. I know it seems like it's a short video, but maybe it's not. Maybe it's like 20 minutes. I don't care. I'm just so cold right now. Like a freezing like a little wiener dog or something. But anyways, comment below what you guys think that we should do on the Super Stang. My hand's not doing any gestures because it's in my pocket because it's so cold. Holy cow. I don't even think it's like, I think it's 20 degrees, I think. Maybe 30. Maybe 30. I don't know. It's freezing, though. Anyways, and I'm not even wearing a jacket or anything, but don't be dumb like me. Do not wear a jacket. I mean, do wear a jacket, but anyways, that is a wrap for today's video. But before you go, I'm going to tell you about our free $30 gift card giveaway. Now, I know you're like, it's probably a scam. You have to do a bunch of stuff. Well, actually, you do have to do things, but not very much. All you have to do is subscribe if you're not already. If you aren't, just consider subscribing, even if it's not for the giveaway. And then share this video. And then comment below anything, like what you ate for dinner, what your favorite Cheeto is. I don't care. Just comment below something. That way I know your name. And then I'll check if you're subscribed that way as well. And then basically, I can enter you in, and I know whose name's what. And then you want to stay tuned for our next video where we will be announcing the giveaway winner. But just like that, this video is over, and I'm out. Wow, wow.